Islamic Bank is the Sharia compliance of Malaysia CIMB Group, which provide Islamic financial products and services including sukuk, financing, investment banking, transaction banking and other services. CIMB Islamic Bank use Standard Accounting of International Financial Reporting Standard and Malaysian Accounting Standard Board. For the other bank is the Jordan Islamic Bank is the one of the public shareholders limited company. Its activity of the banking, financing, investment business for its profitability. Jordan Islamic Bank uses Standard of Accounting and Auditing Organization for the Islamic Financial Institution (AAOIFI), and the bank has the digital Islamic services like mobile, internet, e-wallet and QR-based ATM withdrawal. CIMB Islamic Bank structure its financial statement follow the IFRS and MRFS. The main component of the report include statement of financial position, statement of cash flow, statement of income, statement of comprehensive income, statement changes in equity, statement of cash flow, and note to financial statement. The statement of the financial position show the financing assets such as financing receivable, sukuk, and liability of the bank that follow Sharia principles rule. The income statement shows the revenue and expenses, which excludes zakat. The CIMB also use adjusted growth method for calculating zakat expenses. Statement of comprehensive income of CIMB include income generated from the Sharia compliant financing and investment, income, operating expenses before zakat expenses. Jordan Islamic Bank prepared its financial report based on AAOIFI standard. The financial statement include consolidated statement of financial position, consolidated income statement, consolidated statement of comprehensive income, and along with the consolidated statement of sources and users of Al-Hod Al-Hassan Fund. It states in the report about how they manage Sharia non-compliance, revenue, expenses, and losses. The bank financial position include Islamic financing such as Al-Hod Al-Hassan instead of conventional loan, and financial asset of Wakalah bil Istimar instead of interest-bearing bond, which show the element of riba is not permissible in the report. Investment statement of cash flow show the reporting of cash history of the bank through the Sharia compliance financing and investing activity, excluding the prohibited element. Zakat is computed based on the current value of the entity asset. Under the IAS 2, the fair value of inventory may not be disclosed to the user. CIMB pays zakat using adjusted growth method. Bank did not pay zakat on the behalf of shareholder, and shareholder have separate responsibility to pay zakat for their ownership of the share. Zakat has been paid 50,000 for the year of 2023. Jordan Bank provide disclosure of zakat in an Islamic financial institution, which is the Financial Accounting Standard 39 that contain accounting treatment for zakat. The bank owns section for donation where it pay expenses which are charitable and zakat obligation. The section show where and to whom zakat has been paid, such as King Hussein Cancer. The method used by the Jordan Bank is the net asset method to determine and calculate zakat calculation. Importance of zakat. Zakat is one of the religious obligation as has been stated in Pillar of Islam that must be fulfilled by Muslim. It reflects Islamic value in finance and help people improve their life. Practice of zakat is essential in Islamic financial institution as it not only fulfills the religious obligation but also social justice and wealth distribution. It represents the financial report transparency and align with Maslahat al-Sharia. With a proper Islamic accounting standard for zakat calculation, it ensures the Islamic business serve not just a profit motive but also moral and human responsibility to the communities. Ethical consideration. CIMB follow Islamic ethical B&M Sharia governance framework. The bank have both Sharia community to help them in making decisions relating to Islamic bank and finance. CIMB also reporting its zakat expenses and the shareholder obligated to pay their zakat. The bank show how they manage non-Sharia compliant profit, shows transparency to its shareholders. For the Jordan Islamic Bank, the revised FAS1 bank reporting the financial statement that is trustworthy and transparent to the user. It declares its profit and financial activity to the users. The bank should hold Hassan transaction and socially responsible for its financial practice and serving for the public interest. This is a comparison of Islamic and conventional accounting in details. Comparison of Islamic and conventional accounting. A. Income recognition. Income recognized only after transfer of ownership as required by the Sharia. For the conventional accounting, income include interest, dividend and service fee, which are forbidden. B. Asset valuation. Asset must be backed by the tangible asset use agreed upon value. For the conventional asset use fair value and have intangible and speculative asset, which are interest-bearing instrument. C. Reporting standard. It follow AAO, FIF and RFRS. Standard include disclosure of zakat, quote and profit sharing instrument. For the conventional accounting, follow RFRS and MFRS, follow the financial performance only. In a nutshell, Islamic banks such as CIMB Islamic Bank and Jordan Islamic Bank operate its activity in the financial report that root in Sharia principles. The financial statement not only show the financial information but also uphold the Islamic ethical practice such as transparency and integrity of the bank to the client and customer. This financial report has been guided by AAOIFI, Code of Ethics, Accounting Standards, RFRS and MRFS to help the bank consistent in its accounting standard. This standard ensure transactions are free from riba, qarar and maisir. Islamic accounting are not only to serve its religious obligation but also to grow its institution in the industry and Islamic finance.